Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World, and today I'm going to take you through the video tour of the 2025 Reflection 100 Series, the 27BH. So this is a family model with double over double bunks, weighing in at only 8,000 pounds. So the 100 Series is specializes for half-ton towable trucks and gives you that little bit lighter weight. Still have all the great quality, construction and quality of your Grand Design Reflections, just in the 100 series. So a little bit smaller floor plans, lesser slides, that sort of thing. So full insulation from the front all the way around to the front cap. So you've got R40 there, fully enclosed and heated underbelly, heated and enclosed gate valves. So very well insulated. 1 year manufacturer's warranty, 3 year structural, 5 years on the decals, and 5 years on the tires. So let's get started here. Moving along on the campsite here, you have your nice full pass-through storage. Grand Design does a great job of sealing up their storage areas. You've got your coin floor in here. It's got good depth, all lit up, fully enclosed. It's also heated in the cargo area. Nice power awning, so you've got great shade for your campsite there. Power awning with your LED light. You do have some nice campsite windows here, and we'll see a little bit more about those when we get inside. But come with me and check out the back here. The very back of the Reflection 27 BHS, check out this storage. Wow, so you've got that great pass-through at the front. This is massive. So this is the full size of the bunk, basically. There's plugins in here, so if you wanted to add a small mini fridge, you totally can. You've got your rear ladder here for roof access for your maintenance, and it is backup camera prepped. Moving along to what we call the roadside here on the 2025 Reflection 27BH is your enclosed service center. So you've got your outside shower, your quick winterization, black tank flush, all the easy access points and hookups, your enclosed and heated gate valves here. And this unit is also 4-point level, and the leveling is nice and handy just right inside of here. I also want to mention that they do have the double insulated cargo doors as well. Okay, so we're inside the 2025 Reflection 27BH. I actually love this floor plan. Great space, not huge. Would be an excellent size for towing and parking in just about any campsite you can get your hands on. So to the right here, as you enter, we've got a trifold sofa. Great cabinets up top here, so lots of storage there. Easy access to your control panel and your thermostat. Moving along into the kitchen seating area, your nice U-shaped dinette. So this is gonna pop down to a bed. You can actually sleep up to 10 people in this coach if you really needed to. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Directly across from the slide out that has your U-shaped dinette is your entertainment system. So you've got your flat screen TV. It is on a swivel, so you can direct it towards the sofa if you need be. Stereo system is tucked up in behind here. Tons of counter space. I absolutely love the counter space in this coach. Full drawers. You've got a bank of 6 drawers, storage, storage, storage. 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover, and it just folds back, kind of acts like a backsplash for you. Your oven, nice big drawer below the oven. Microwave up top, great storage up here for all of your dishes. And your one-piece stainless steel farm sink, residential faucet, and they've actually also added a little countertop extension here. At the very back of the coach is where we have your double over double bunks. It's decent space in this little bunk area here, and they have excellent storage with 3 drawers and a hanging closet. Place to put a TV up on the wall there as well for the kiddos if you want, but great space between the bunks too. I love the head space. They've done a really nice job designing this setup. All right, as we move up to the front of the coach here in the 27BH, we've got your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet in the bathroom, residential style shower, nice little linen shelving up above, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. So now we're up in the master bedroom. You've got your 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. Love that they did the little nightstands on each side with some storage and a countertop for your glasses, your cups of water. Above there as well, you've got USB and 110 plug-ins. Moving along, no shortage of storage here in this master bedroom. You've got another closet here at the foot of the bed with a hanging rod across the top. You could always put shelves in if you really wanted to, and 2 drawers below. They've even made a little kick out here if you wanted to tuck some shoes under there as well, and of course your bed lifts. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2025 Reflection 27BH. Double over double bunks weighing in at 8,000 pounds, so half-ton towable. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watchers, Saskatchewan.